Do this for me.
He's the one.
Please, no interruption, no objections.
So, I want to put to you that you don't like the Queen Mother. Yeah, say Makola Pt1, wait me a baby also. And still, without a share.
What do me?
Michelle Subaya and Tomano, winning movie, true or false.
And to my bed.
And to my bed at the Abaha.
Ah, I don't think it's now, Madame Funny. My God, tell you why. They're funny.
Yes. The Honorable MC for Asokwa, Amo Kamel, and the Honorable Regional Minister, Frank Amwakohe.
Thank you.
Honorable, the distinguished, the greatest legal mind in the whole of Africa, in the whole of Ghana and its territories, Judge Louise Lamis.
enforcer of justice, and the only man in Ghana who gave himself a gavel and nobody stopped him. The matter before this court today is Ashanti first case number 4. And this is the matter. Somebody stole the Queen Mother's kente. Not just any kente. The kente, known among the elders and ancestors as Nsabi was wrong. Woven a long time ago that the weavers themselves have become ancestors. Passed from Queen Mother to Queen Mother to Queen Mother to Queen Mother across generations. Worn once a year. Only once on the sacred day of Ashanti Fest. It is never sold, never borrowed, never touched by hands that have not been appointed to touch it. This kente I'm talking about has survived wars. It has survived colonization. It has survived everything this country has been through. The said sacred cloth was removed and replaced. Replaced, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of this court, with a cloth printed in the Guangzhou province of the People's Republic of China, a polycotton market grade Chinese printed imitation. Your Honor, we ask, who stole Nsabi Washro from the royal custody? Who stole Nsabi Washro from the royal custody? Therefore, this court is charged with answering just this question. Who stole it? Why any Akoko? Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, Obi Eddie Ka.
Counsel, the name again? Your Honor, it is Abbas Nuruddin Wayos. All right, Counsel Abbas Nuruddin. This is not the standard attire for my court.
My lord, are you asking a question?
No, I'm telling you that this is not what I allow for my court.
I'm a traditional lawyer.
I will let it slide just.
I can't do everything here.
Okay, all right. So let's get into the case then.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor. When they show you small things like this, you shake, so I'm very happy. Yes, Your Honor. As you can see, this case is about a very valuable element of culture. Our culture here. I say our culture because I'm a part of it. Whether you choose to believe it or not, I am a part of it. Your Honor, this kente that we are talking about as your Honor, where do you get your court class from?
Counsel, what is the matter?
It is not a matter. When we finish, me and you, we have some discussions to do. Your Honor, our elders have something they say. They say that yes,
Which of your elders said that?
Am I lying? Your Honor, they said that yes, they say you didn't move on to one of the best free battle.
Carry on.
Yes. Everything has to be in its right place.
Okay.
What are we talking about? Your Honor, an element of culture. This kente that we are talking about is valuable above everything else. As a matter of fact, when our Queen Mother is coming into the public like that is what she's supposed to be wearing.
Council, are you sure?
Yes. Am I? Be calming down. Everything will be fine. Your Honor, she wears it once a year when we have important things to do. Nobody who is unauthorized is even supposed to see it before it comes out of its room.
So, that giving us the all the accolades of this fabric or kente you're talking about doesn't do any justice to the case. I want to know what's the case.
Your Honor, the case is that that woman over there is the only person who has access.
Counsel, do you just call somebody that woman over there?
The defendant
All right.
is the only person who has the key to the room where we keep this cloth that we are talking about.
All right.
It is a woman, your friend will help. Safwa, Ina, or what? Now, so who I didn't hear a person call this one. Eh?
Okay.
The SS.
All right.
So if the last time we saw it, we gave it to you to go and put it inside the room. After that, we haven't seen it again. Who should we go and So however she got it to this man to take outside Ghana to go and sell it, she is going to prove it here today. Otherwise, my traditional lawyer is here. What we are going to do to her? Okay. The part that pains me. If you are stealing the thing, you can steal it and go. Then come and replace it with China made. Who the way we are calling, we are now in the hope. China did the two. What do you mean?
Thank you. Any more from your side, Counsel?
Maybe I say I'm a mobile camera for their neighbors like you.
Okay.
Oh, we are here. Women and what their mama and what? If the person tip, it tips actually.
Okay. Mommy.
Oh,
Mommy, if you are going into the back on.
oh, when you call for some cabana, will be up there.
From your side?
Your Honor,
Counsel,
I give you.
I take it.
Your Honor, I'm added that they say something. That if you suck a fearful mind, you go and meet his manhood. Now, I'm going to remember. They also say something. That if you say you are a lawyer, and your lawyer not complete, and then you run go call somebody that his doctor not complete, then he show you that I'm the real doctor, he bring all his credentials, then you start with your that your lawyer that doctor, you make mistake. But God, sir. You know why am I saying this? I start by quoting this book. The things that matter most by Carl Thomas. You know, I come from page 1 to page 500.
Oh shit. What is the meaning of that?
I'm quoting the book.
No quoting. And you are going to quote the whole book, yeah?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I agree. Your Honor, this man can't hear. He keep this key for the room, for the floor, so many years ago. He started the thing, now he is a small boy.
Who?
This woman is a small boy. He's a small girl, sorry. Your Honor, somebody who has kept this thing so many years. Every occasion, Queen Mother sent her to go and bring the thing. She bring the thing. So many festivals, she has done the thing. Now, all of a sudden, if the thing lost, you say that he has taken the thing.
Take shame, Your Honor. It is everybody does it. When you are caught, you say it's the first time.
All right.
Your Honor, I beg to try to ask you. Now, asking you talk, we don't talk, we keep quiet for me. If I will talk, you talk, I can beat you here like I don't do that.
Order!
I don't do that.
All right. So we can call our witnesses quickly. Let's start the business.
And Your Honor, first and foremost, first, we put our Queen Mother to the stand. She's the first. Nana, somehow I got who can say my woman in the boy, Papa. And at what point in time, Tabe Amun said the kente is lost?
Said Nana Hema Mike no. Eba. Nana Hema yes until Mike. Court may record it.
And Chirima me ye Chirima ni bi na fe na me ma beto so. Dodo na ya na nanu bebre beto so koi. Eye ya fakie eno ene che ya mamre ene ya mane enye me penso ena kente we bayira. Ene kan ye besi enye me penso me enye me penso.
Hey.
Sir, Judge, many are bread.
Yeah, when you are praised, it's near the assembly about 100 years.
I don't know,
Make us say, come on.
Judge,
Yes,
sir, Miss me on him. Yakatamano.
There is power.
Okay,
Hold
on. Assembly, you can say it, yes.
Yo.
It is a one far butran. Ebiano was a more day. But no way, you come up for.
My son, the other bar.
Every day, if you talk to us, you shout on us. Why this one you come down? What you feel?
Hey, catch a class, no me gata. Order.
Nana, I meant him.
Class, no me gata.
Say, now, mobile, yeah, I say, radio. May the record,
Judge, me no ama me kwan se me nkasa.
it's now.
Na adenti na kromfo no lawyer. Ana ebe tama no.
Maybe a crofo.
Na nya kromfo.
Maybe a crofo.
Wonya kromfo.
Me kodem wa. Me padie. Na so me kind. I share the padie no asa na obedi hima.
Sani anim so obe wi ake pa mo ntem.
I don't know that it's like it's okay.
You know where it is going. I think that even from there I can ask questions. So I want to get close to that side. You can.
Judge, wadaroma.
Yes.
Me na ba ye. Me de me lawyer, traditional lawyer. And na ye kana amaneka. And ye besi. I tell sir, kentena ayira no. You are to where your tone of cry. And I want to be
cast as a next level.
Maybe Papa is taken. Maybe Papa is taken. I don't know the cat and one muscle. I don't know the cat.
My lord.
Counsel, over. Okay, let me say, Mama, you have sent me for questions answer. Why? Yes. Hold on. Oh, Bibika. No, Mr. No, hold on. Do you have no, but you have something to say.
And then,
Our other said,
Yeah.
if you didn't put that thing over there, it will fall down.
yes.
They say you need to move on toward the free better.
Did you know person? Yeah, person, Mama, minutes.
And the one Pia, so I can tell what it is. I'll use my traditional law to bring it.
Okay. Tiziano, Yabutrema. Let's not say. No, Nanaheman, Tinasi.
So are you walking out of the court?
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, Mama will be so fraba. If we are not the book, the Nakuma to the Pania Safana.
Better.
The name, the best lesson over Tinasi Kakana or Bonadri.
Papa Jay, this is my home kente no. Ansana makuma atomi yam. What do you matter?
baby, I can tell you, baby, I want.
Hey!
And then what a line, what a line, what do you say? I don't over to the I don't know about court.
What did you say? I don't know about backwards.
Then I'm out of the what about court?
I didn't know about the other one.
Order!
Send the car come home.
Order.
My lord, I suggest we should call the fire service here. By all means,
Okay, sir.
fire will cut.
Punti. Afternoon in Punti. The Nabutre and Casabna. Intimate queen. You can see a baby and tomato walk there to Napachi. By the Akoma, any of the shoes here. See a metifa. A drum. Please.
All
Alright, my man.
Now we call our woman inside the table. Madam, please tell the court your name and who are you as a human being?
Your Honor,
Yes.
my name is Apia Namichi, and I am the Desohima
You are the what?
Kontunchi.
You are the what?
The Desohima
Deso.
Kontunchi.
Sweet things speak.
Wataroma. Ahemfi a yɛwɔ, ɔman a yɛfiri mu, agyapade a ɛwɔ hɔ nyinaa, me na mehwɛ so. Na ansa na wobɛtumi ahwɛ so no, na kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ niwaaba.
Where they?
Niwaaba.
Somebody who have eyes to look.
Na akonnwa yi a medie, sɛbi mpɛduasa. Na n'ahema a wabɛgyina ha a wɔyɛ tumi. Na meyɛ akwadaa koraa. Mebuu me nsa a yɛyɛ amammerɛ ne amanneɛma a me a na yɛde me si
Your Honor, let him know that people means he break his fingers. Go on.
ɛyɛ nokorɛ nneɛma no nyinaa me na mehwɛ so. Afea no hyia na sɛ yɛba bɛyɛ yɛafahyɛ a ɛna yɛ nananom kontonkyi ada Roma yɛntom a yɛmmɔ ne din wɔ abɔnten nanso ɛnam nanahema akoma nti yɛbɛtena court na yɛbɔ yɛn ntoma ne din wɔ abɔnten ɛfiri sɛ ntoma no Your Honor ansa na wobɛbɔ din no gye sɛ wogu nsa na mebisa nanahema sɛ wagu nsa ɛne wayɛ ne ho a wɔbɔ ntoma ne din
And then they will put the boots our Go on.
ɔyɛ ɔhema
Hold on.
Your Honor,
Yes.
please, I want another human to know that somebody is not guilty until the law has granted him guilty.
Kiao.
So until that, they don't have any right to come and cry.
A thief.
Please, no.
You can't call me a thief because I am not.
Hey!
Nana Himayawa court kabrofo.
Order in court!
Madam Mata, tell the court, how many years have you been the queen of the keys?
Your Honor, as I was saying, I was very young. Immediately I menstruated. And I was initiated
Okay.
before I was even able to enter that room.
Okay.
So,
it's about, let's say, 30 years now.
30 years now.
Council, you say, Mr. Mo, and some no, Mokona Posuna Posuma.
Means to grab a penance, not your
Council.
Judge beside so many.
Madam. Nanaima. Woman talk. Woman this.
Me ramen kasabi. Me. Mate.
Your Honor, my
Please
details
let the
are
court know that my grandchild has been the king of the queens 30 years.
It's not the king of the queen. Well, what I say?
He keeps the queens.
Get out to your question.
So let the court know that he keeps the queens for 30 good years. Please tell the court your experience as 30 years. Have you seen that the kente has lost before?
Your Honor, Chedi upon young compo when in me. Babu Sumi Sieni. Any a young man running a mania. Me pulum to mano. And I'm at a brand and I him. A man needed child for Ninia. Yadi ye posters, yet a pub wanting your fashion it. Or ye. I was sent Kadana with Freddy and I'm in Saki. Nanso Adana in Sanka. I did see young mom and I walk catch them is sick. Or the Asumana Fana, so I'm from Kumite. Bekoye, Your Honor, he are teaching the quality bag to me. And I'm saying, I'm running a money, and nothing will send to them so. The time Yana made them. And I'm here, pie. We ain't a bad fee. What people say, you're the baby to the court.
Your Honor, let the court know that the first woman being who touched the kente cloth is the queen mother because she used the queen mother cloth to cover her clothes in the public. Please.
Wait. Then I just have
Your Honor, according to my grant, she is the first person who will give the queen mother to use the clothes to cover her clothes in public.
No, that's not what you want to say.
Look at it.
Was say, or confirm money could count for me.
For me, yes. Now for you, who can go? I need to come to what So in public, Your Honor, the last person who touched the kente clothes original physical without it being in the rubber bag is queen mother.
It's queen mother.
Thank you. Please. What am I saying? Who call you Amamre? Tell the court.
Your Honor, let's say when you Kasaka. Nananum netete me. Nananum netare.
I call now, yeah, but what is Chopin?
Amamre ni amane ya tonche. Mi framamre fie iti nkonya dem. Wana mi titi, wana mi dware. Sade nneoma ekoso nyina no. Se mi gyina ha di ntro a, mi se nananum betumi akoma hwefom a mi ntumi nso. Enu nti na ye ka asam na me ka ase. Se nanahima asem me na me fa antoma ne dia. Any of the Canaan
Order in court!
Hey!
Order in court!
Mama, I don't know any kids before. Next time, they are very weird. Yendi Paul, Yendi Christmas tree, no.
Your Honor, as you have put your hand in the old woman's food, you will eat it. Your Honor, before I sit down, I want the court to know. Nia onim amamble no odia kwan. And as you come amamble no, the kwan entia. Clearly, this my client here has shown that she has nothing to do with the cross.
All right.
Your Honor, let the court also know that the tears of a crying mother is a woe unto you.
I want to tell my other friend that you're for tickets here in your
Wait, Your Honor, you say what? You say what?
Again, I said,
This is a personal attack.
He said what?
Okay. He said that in fact he can say everything.
I like. Oh, that one is not. It's a cassette fashion. That one is not me. I like.
All right. Okay.
I like.
Okay. You have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. I have those two questions. But if you want to go.
Yes. Your Honor, I want to beg you that please let's continue this case like that. Because if you change to Paul and Christmas tree, we need 38 people to help us. So we'll go on like that. Thank you. Now that they are doing proverbs against me, we too, we have a lot of proverbs. But I want to tell you that you disappoint me. Why? You make your court a joker court. That now not only lawyers, but children who are doing career day. What you are doing in this court. Plenty people, big people have come. Then children, it's not good. So Your Honor, I will see you.
All right. Okay. Order. Please take your seat. Counsel. All right, counsel.
Obahima, you talk too much.
Many
As you are talking, this man say here is God. Speak English. You keep quiet. Order.
Your Honor, this is your matter. Everything you say order.
Order in court.
Okay.
My lord.
Okay. For the next 30 minutes, Panisha will not say order again.
Hello?
Panisha.
And your money connect.
All right. Okay. Counsel.
Your Honor,
your witness.
They have to know that it's not Queen Mother Bia that is Queen Mother. We have seen plenty Queen Mother before. Even when they say he's the Queen Mother. So your Queen Mother is what? Relax, cool down. That's why you come here.
Counsel, Counsel.
You are Queen Mother.
Counsel,
me, I don't respect you. I don't respect. If you bring more tears to court, not me say you win the case. So I don't care about what. Why you do that? Why you do that?
Okay, Nanaima. So we say, okra akonya no, opa akonya no oban.
Akonya no oban na mama boda me.
Ebe modam, oboda ma na je say.
Mama boda me.
Na wo check akre.
Mibra, mami cancer me cho. Say, what the ejesi ho. Na wo hie atru kuma. Ebe da na nde.
Ebe do.
Too powerful.
Counsel, look.
Your Honor.
My lord.
This Queen Mother, we know her secret. We figure her small, she go.
Sidebar.
My lord.
David, me throw. Me throw. Madam. Now, but hey. I don't know how it
You can kind of move to something.
I am Wabra, the Metu, who yaw papa, but two who yaw, the mammy called the meet out. Mammy called the meet out, and I want to know him at you, who many must have a wife.
I'm just
Yes.
my lord. I want to tell my other friend here that we don't use long talk to buy a horse. They will focus attention to he should go straight to the point.
Okay. All right. Thank you for the advice. Thank you. Counsel, your witness.
Thank you for the advice. I'll go straight to the point.
Keep it short, please.
And in this court, there's only one person who looks like a point. So I'll cut it short.
My lord, in fact, I will take
Please.
this personal.
And no.
I'm not for you,
And no.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Your Honor,
I know.
Now that
Please, Petty, go straight to the point. Ask your questions.
Please.
And your point here, we're going
Wait, Tiara. Oh. Please tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. You steal the proof. Your Honor, Otafere Bible. You don't see the proof.
What's wrong, man?
When is the last time you see the proof?
6 months ago.
The Queen Mother, this is how he talked for your people.
Expression.
And you people accept him as your Queen Mother.
The two men. What brought her? The two men now.
Good. But you two, why you were there before Ohima came, but they don't make you Ohima, they make you.
Hey, counsel, you can't put your client in check. I'll hold you in contempt.
Shut up! Sorry.
Now, if she speaks anymore, I'll hold the two of you in contempt.
Your Honor.
Make sure she doesn't speak again.
Your Honor, how am I going to make that show? How am I going to make it?
I'll hold you in contempt. Let her speak again. I'll find you. Yes.
Your Honor, let me deposit money.
Yeah, the way I am biased.
Nanaima.
We are biased.
Ohima, hey, what's it? Hello. Hey, what's it? Yo.
Let me play.
Can't be allowed to
What did you mean? What did you mean? Mentor, you have what are you for mine? You're from a trapot.
Brother. No, brother. Please, I want to ask. This is your mind. What food you give him in the book? He look big.
Latochi. Counsel, your last question.
Okay, you answer the question. You don't answer the question.
Debbie.
Where your Genesis?
Obusa a question. Miss Wrong answer question about me can't talk about.
Yana, yes, say. Me mabusuami. There's war. Akonya ni yeti. Kasa akonya no wunni.
Oh.
I'm coming up by now. My friend na brought to here.
Come.
Obi afrawa.
Nanaima Bashobra.
What you be frawa?
Nanaima Bra. Counsel, come. Counsel, come.
I mean, what's in your water?
Panisha, come. I want you and Nanahima to have that meeting in my office about the whereabouts of the court. Information now, if I'm the winning in Anno, we hear from man on shore. Number from name 1 at 10 fast.
Where come one more Friday.
So, on the OBM office, no key no one.
office level.
Counsel!
Your Honor, please come down.
Ow! That's Daddy. Your Honor, say.
Counsel, fast.
Thank you. Your Honor, they say that if any animal is coming to die, he pray. I think that she did the thing. the way he's a witch.
Counsel, ask, if you have questions, ask.
Kill him. Don't let him come here again. Case closed.
Okay. You have questions?
Yebi.
Thank you very much.
Will you hurry up?
Your Honor, you can't rush an international lawyer.
Counsel, hurry up before she comes back, please.
Okay. Please, tell us, you said the last time you saw...
Ratchet. Rofuna would say some way in the sun, we said that's why I'm beginning.
Okay. And you know, Mr. Oka chair court, I said, time Ben, I will move into Mano. Now, also, when the wound to Mano last. Nana Hema. And you know, mostly some way a fashion as a front to Mana. Sign a way, or Frebia, then or somewhere.
A bono, no account, man, or their mammy.
And you wonder why I wasn't to Mano.
Meche, no, my cocoon, Namedy, a cocoon, and them,
and you know, about the sign away the 1 year.
Mr. Major was what you found for you. No, Cobonon, and on Sian Sunya, as a matter. I was semi contrary, Mrs. Abram.
Now, once a senior Kejetia, fast. Quick. Now, post pay. Counsel, please don't. Okay. And you'll be there.
So they will see Canada.
And I hear there. So, what's in those? I was all good, Jerry.
And I may say, I was a chemical guy. So, no, I was a big guy. Sabra also. To be an will not to me, to be Jaho.
No, in our job. Okay. And I'll say a buy now, Robin.
Fast.
Or some buy now, Robin.
Whatever 2 men may hold no Robin.
Yeah.
Oh, share.
Me and too many more.
Okay. Your Honor, I put it to you. Say, Your Honor, or you're negligent. She is careless and negligent.
Okay.
Because when Juma and said, and to money you hear, I was someone I want him. What him to mana, now of your cotton. When Juma, what we are singing now, and the second to Maso. Your Honor. This shows that he knows exactly why she did all of that. Maybe I want yes, and then one was it another year. Man, a Sabaya or Robin, man, Your Honor, how can you tell us the story? Your Honor, this shows that you are negligent and, in fact, Your Honor, on him, movie. On one area,
Your Honor, I don't get it. My woman talk, my girlfriend here, he told that thing. He told that thing straightforward. That the thing, if you blink your fingers, you don't open the front. Ask him and blink the thing. They have tied the thing already. So why you go open the thing again? You know, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Or you don't think, or you don't have sense.
Counsel. Thank you. You are done, I'm sure.
I'll have to end it here. I have to talk to Nana Hema.
No!
Only I can talk to Nana Hema.
Please.
You scare your own self.
My Lord.
Yeah.
I want to ask a small question.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Shamame Casa,
I believe.
what one I have it now? A young woman to fulfill the suit and have some question. Who besides me?
Is she insulting me or what?
No, she says ask her the question, so ask her the question. Please, quickly.
She said you don't know how to speak a
Or is it Tikachi? Was that the dream?
A quite bad show. And now what could Jerry? When you be found to one at least for the set a Christmas. For home, say, home here, but for Christmas, Phoebe. A festival. Now, could you create a one? No, from a cry far.
Your Honor, the way they are from afar, if it touch me, No.
Umusa asembia o.
You say,
Unya asembia bisa.
I should identify. I don't understand.
Oh, watch it, okay, well, it's true. We all don't understand, and that is why we are here.
Yes.
We will find out. Do you believe?
I don't believe.
Yana.
All right.
Abreu.
Yeah. So cancel. Into it match to Apunya. Kakaka, you don't want to credit. Why? Meaning say anointing about your question been in about.
Why na me put
Where's it at? The same way you can go.
head not to
You. If you see me run, I'm telling you.
If he runs, you can't catch him.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Okay.
100 meters.
All right. Let's
You
wait.
can threaten me. You can threaten me. Okay, brief me. Yeah, obey you last year. If we continue briefing, he can go up again. One briefing, then that's all. You can threaten me.
Your Honor, a short time ago, Usuma is having copy information, brand Namako, Namaba,
All right.
Suma, Ebuayeno, Midiaba. Edikai, a penny for can, I said, be almost say.
Cancel. Pepe. Go straight to the point. Straight.
Straight to the point, Your Honor. Almost say, Adam and you was so graduate.
Excuse me. I been you lawyer we me pata before we ni bana. Maybe I know who ya bet ya that went to me one.
Obama. Grade am have sound and name ko.
Okay.
Coach name sound and.
Aha. We see how more what. Can you fight the higher Kakwaya Konomi Yadro? Not the comfort, block on it. I before Beth movie wahala.
Your Honor, if
Hey, Papa Nassanti lawyer.
Your Honor, I'll say me who about your free crow.
No, you say the first and then finish it.
Yes.
No, you have got the bed before you take.
Me see. Adomeni said you also takrachwe.
What's that? Hey. What's he saying? Mante, what's that?
Adomeni said you also takrachwe.
Hey! Lati. Franco ama akwehinete ya na wukan kwasi azamta. Bibi ya na wahu.
And yet, is it not a problem? Your Honor, let me clean it. I retract it. Let me say a different one.
Don't say anything. Ask your question. Why are you doing this to me?
Your Honor, I believe that the people want to hear the program.
They don't want to hear. You want to hear the program?
Your Honor, if any fall down on Musaka said, I tell you what they are to get to it. Is it not a problem?
It's a problem.
What is your problem with it?
This lawyer, he like the chwe. Do you like a chwe? Open chwe and now open.
Counsel, you and I have crossed.
Your Honor, let me do this right. I'm very disappointed in you. When you come to court and come and say that somebody like, please don't do that.
You and I have crossed this barrier long time. Let's not come back to it.
Just tell them what you like. That's it. Your Honor, you like it or you don't like it? You don't like it. You have 5 children. If you don't like it, how you what are you talking about? You are talking about saying you like it.
Order. Cancel your question. That's why I don't like the proverbs. Straight to the point.
Don't ask straight to the point. according to history now, you see what happened there. What the one if you da. Asana, omumi enu nyina kra be ba. Esi wo hoda say kente ayira ye mu afa.
Jimmy Papa na esi anke aba. Me de me ni abotra sa o. Aje wo hi ma me ka to say ye modu akaba na bibia so.
Yo na why she abusing me?
What is it?
Me be some question say my Jimmy Papa, my Jimmy say.
Oh, mommy.
Yes.
Nada if you were there na koso.
Yes. Tani ba ka. Jimmy aya. Aje ya tani yako. E fili ya wan papa. Tam na me de mata.
Me be some question say entuma no ayira pe.
Ayira da.
Ah, say ku na ko yin.
The first time.
And I'm going to why you how many years?
Say 30 years.
Make papa na ni ticket wa wu ya ni how many years?
32 years mom say why we are people are you obey.
There be after no feel so baby.
You don't know further questions.
Hey, everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone knew.
Oh, and I just bet you what happened. That's it.
Tell this court what you do in the palace.
Oh, maybe I said, and then you find that coming when you know. I'm going to have many penny now, my country, the American, a far woman, you about penny. Then I make like your mamma, and they are just attend the any baby, I mean, I make it.
Oh, it's the one now church no.
Oh, yes. When I'm a man and I do that. Oh, but I know you're for the.
And you know, Yeshua, who say a year who said BBC Esida. Send to Manu and Yirada. And you know, BBC Esida out of always the Husha. Mine out how fine.
What's it?
Why now shall fine?
Maybe I mean to mean got over enough and then Mumbusa for him.
Ah, answer for him and a human say.
On the baby, they are full.
It's in a bam on a Mudijan.
Yes, the John and I are sorry. Now I don't know what to want him and flying. Then you could have him to buy him. No one point him and with you see
And you know, say the baby, why you be some.
answer for him.
And you know, why not so just also?
Clutching the answer for him.
And you know, they say no shot and for him and was here.
I want with you, make power soon pay. My blue. What's over, Cabby?
I like you, that's why I want to come here. Abayima,
Yeah.
you glow too much. You are very nice.
Thank
You
you.
single or you married?
What's it?
Are you single or you married?
Mentia sama.
Oh, run out.
What's all about him? What? My wali I died 13 them.
Okay. Who say we are about penny?
Yeah.
About penny here. What do you do? The boy. Who took for him? The one I'm a boy. Who to buy him up for the one I'm a boy? I some fear when I always say the one I'm a boy.
Objection, Your Honor. She said, and yes, I know. Oh, yeah. Or say, I can't or don't want. And not that.
Hey, Flora, me too for Mr.
Abayima, Utufu, God bless you for saying that Utufu, you are clean. Then na Utufu, now about penny. Adia ira wo ahemfia. What take his side say? And Safahima na fa. Dem bomuno umfra Abayima Safahima. Bia na konfobi na fa. Adana esa.
Who was that some man? Yeah, you see. Why did they go? And you see, Obiani and what you do. Regional minister, yes, you come out and young Fanguasha minister, Pufan.
Dabi.
Anyone, one
I want the court to know that as Abayima that you are in the parish, you make sure that you bring calmness, you bring peace, you settle issues.
What's it like?
Hey, come on.
What's it with the neighbor?
Who do you pass?
What was Ashanti?
Oh, David.
What Ashanti?
Nanaima, why are you power? Eh, yen na ye boy se man nanaima.
I said I was in corner now, so I'm penal. That's it. Charlie, you're fast.
I'm lying down. No, before I say that, I think that over Imani, you bring peace.
Yeah.
Before this even come to court, you come and stand in the middle of that. I am not sure who take it. I don't take sides and say that Sapahima has taken the thing. But you say that, oh God, maybe we are trying to find the person who come and teach the thing.
Liar, wouldn't want to.
Oh, mommy.
Wouldn't want to, man. Wouldn't want to, man.
Council. Hey, contempt. 5,000.
No, she's the one talking. We have kept quiet.
I will set your.
She's the one talking.
She spoke first. 5,000. You, I didn't warn you. Now, if she speaks, 5,000.
Well, now where am I going to get 5,000?
That's your mom.
Talk.
That's your.
Oh. Okay. Jail time.
You now vanish.
Why are you standing there?
Council.
Who has called you? Who has
Oh.
Go and sit down until my Lord called you. Go and sit down.
All right. Yeah. Come. I've called you. Go and answer questions. Fast.
Who baby? Oh, mommy, who went in an
Me, I like you. I don't want to ask plenty questions. Then you are doing me this.
What's the word?
Questions?
The time we are doing it, you say that you have plenty sickness. You say your head and your all kind of thing.
I said, mental pressure, diabetes, my pump, meeting a half climate to her say. And you say, who's supposed to be a bit now to come from.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
This woman, the time I see her now, I see that she looks like a brand ambassador.
I don't say again.
Because of your plenty sickness, I think she is the face of Akuba. They say Akuba, Uti, Yawu, Your Honor, I want to say something for your woman. Your Honor, she has everything, but you don't have the cloth. Okay, fine. Then I'm sorry. Wrong advert. I think she represents Abiwabe Bobo. Abiwabe Bobo. And the baby. La 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 la. La 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 la. Baby. La 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 la.
Okay, your question.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection. Your Honor, I say something for Abiwa.
No! Don't say anything for it. Carry on with your questions. No more. She is a brand ambassador for whatever. Questions?
My Lord.
Yeah.
My Lord.
Is it an objection?
The person will catch a little friend. I had no concern.
Okay.
Yo, thank you for your kind reminder. But you two, you look familiar. You look like Tida Mofra Commando.
It's okay.
Your Honor,
Your Honor,
I believe what my colleague said has really affected my colleague. He's crying.
I can't be out. We are not affected. Are you in me?
you are not hit. The person say the thing. Why?
And yet, was where?
The only thing that can affect him is 6 childhood killer disease.
Cancel.
Can you name them?
Questions?
Where is he going?
Your Honor, the principal stands.
Cancel.
Your Honor, I said,
My Honor.
Yes.
Yeah. Obviously.
So when you know
Yeah.
we are what can watch.
We don't want any of that, do we? Do we want that? So can we stick to the case and do?
Maona
Your Honor.
shut.
Oh, what can someone make? Can I also?
Maona shut up. Continue say, "Oh, cousin, young from home." Shut up. Warning.
Your Honor.
All right.
What
you have to.
I support him, Your Honor.
You have to apologize to the court.
Yes. He has to apologize because, Your Honor.
Counsel, look, sit down.
No, as he come, Your Honor. You see that, like, nobody they beat you, nobody asks you anything, you don't cry. But if somebody asks you what happened, you try to explain, tears come. That's what.
Apologize to the court and sit down. You don't tell the judge to shut
For
up.
what?
For telling the judge to shut up.
For telling the judge
To shut up.
to shut up.
Say that cellular disease.
Madam, you say you have been in the palace for a long time, true or false? But
What's that?
you have been in the palace for too long, true or false?
Can it be?
Do you know palace?
Palace. What's the key?
I'm the one who is Jimmy. Okay, fine. I speak for you. What's now? I'm your investment.
57 years.
57 years. That's just all I see. I walk by him.
I want to tell you, I'm a fine.
It's all our cancer when our training, no, and the attempt I want to check.
When I'm a child, will be a
That's the only my memory.
yeah.
Who will bet it back?
Accra.
And only penny for the yard being said.
And one cancel.
One more bra. And your bro or hidden your penny. Yo,
Your Honor, objection.
Hey, I thought the fool would be what you
we are hospitable people. Like this is Ashanti. You are not supposed to be here, but we love you. So if we give you chance to talk small, keep quiet.
now.
Your Honor, the fact that this is Ashanti face does not mean somebody can push me down.
We are not pushing you down.
Okay, let's not do
What do
this.
you mean because I want to share me here?
Like I want them.
Your Honor, I believe when we say Ashanti first, it's part of Ashanti.
That's why we say we are hospitable.
Yeah, so allow him to
We
talk.
are
It's
said,
part of Ashanti.
Anoga is a small place.
But it is part of Ashanti.
So you speak small.
Your Honor,
You mean he should speak very
Your Honor,
short?
I think I
Keep it
agree.
short.
Your Honor, I think I agree with my man because Ashanti first is for everybody from the walk of life. Your Honor, if you are from Northern region, you come. If you are from Northern region, you come. If you are Central, because Ashanti religion is the religion of everybody.
Of the people. Yes.
You do this for me.
He is the one.
Please, no interruption, no objections.
So I want to put to you that you don't like the Queen Mother. Yeah, say Makola Pt1, wait me abedi uso. I still without to share.
What do I mean?
Oh yeah, Ohima.
I never Papa
Michelle Subaya and Tomano winning movie, true or false.
and to my bed.
And to my bed at the Abaha.
I don't think it's now, Madame Funny. My God, tell you why. They're funny.
Your Honor, is that what a woman who advised Queen Mother? Then that one, what would a Queen Mother become? Your Honor, I think we go on.
Okay, so your next witness, please.
Your Honor, we have one witness. My other colleague, if you permit me, I go.
I'm imagining Abdulwabidi.
Counsel, contempt, 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Your Honor, come on. That is
Your
all
Honor,
the
now if you imagine it's imagination.
Shut up!
Your Honor,
say, Your Honor, sometimes,
Counsel, don't call your witness. Call your witness.
Your Honor, I call him. But sometimes somebody can teach you the word, but you become more gracious than the person. Your Honor, I cannot stand in this court and say Abdulwabidi.
Oh, Charlie.
I cannot say that. Because Your Honor, I'm very worried that he teach me the word, but you come and stand here and say Abdulwabidi. Because I don't hear every man. Your Honor, I have one woman here who have witnessed something overseas. Your Honor, this woman, he go to China. He go and bring things from rooftop. Your Honor, he sees something. So as the case come where my clients come and call me, he believes himself that I have interest in this case. So I have something to tell the court. Your Honor, please, if you permit me, I'll call my slave queen into the thing. Please, pass here. Your Honor, you are going to see if he's a slave queen or he's a slave queen.
My beautiful lady, to prevent anything.
But please,
continue
until I get to the person who say I. Hey,
Me Pacho Debbie.
please, audience, who help us? Hey,
Me Pacho Debbie.
Hey,
Debbie.
Hey,
Debbie. Debbie.
This one.
Now, one tear comes you.
Who am I asking?
That was the provision number.
Oh, I see. Your Honor, I want the court to know that this woman here has seen the person who take the kente to go to Amman, go and sell the kente. So he come to our office to come and witness. Luckily, he come from the same community, so he see the kente, he recognize the kente, then come and then we also follow up. Then we see that this young man is the one that he takes. So he buy the kente back, then he bring and then we
He buy?
He buy or not buy?
You asking me?
I'm telling you. The matter can tell what to answer that question.
Me Pacho Debbie. Any price. So how do you buy
What
to
do
sell
I
it?
want to know?
Me Pacho say.
What do I want to know? What am I doing with you? What do you have to come here?
Mr. Endi Muya.
Eh?
Me befie me be bo amane. Se me ho bi e wa bonten. Na me hwehwem se ebia ya sheda na e dia che anase because santuma no de esumbo pa o.
All right. Don't know, I think I'll do have something to ask next. Fine. Madam.
Yes, sir.
You say you go see the thing where?
In Dubai.
Are you the only one who go there?
I work alone, yes. But there were others from different countries as well.
You see a lot of Ghanaians there.
Well, not in that meeting.
When you go there, do you take video or picture of yourself in Dubai?
In Dubai or in the meeting?
In Dubai.
In Dubai, yes.
You post it on social media?
Not really, no.
But you have seen a lot of young people, when they travel, they take videos and they post on social media.
Yes, true.
Okay, can you step aside? Step small. You, hey, come here. Come. Come. You think we are joking? Come here. Come. Come and stand in the casket. We will ask you one question, there you go. Come. You want to see him in the casket? Young man, how old are you?
Your Honor,
Yes.
in 3 years' time, I'll be 38 years old.
Good. Have you traveled outside the country before?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You take video of yourself post before?
On tape paper.
Please come and stand here. Have you heard somebody say "Obede Farmer" before?
Your Honor, I didn't answer. I need a lawyer.
You are a court. Hey, I will beat you. That's why I want to show your honor something. That some people can do or be a power.